Hey!
There, YouTube. It's the guy here. Quickly before this video starts. I had a sore throat during this video, but I hope you guys still enjoy. Can I get a
damn nerd
in the comment section below if you guys do enjoy this video? These few audio clips I just used are from when my throat wasn't sore. Anyway, enjoy.
Alright!
I won't do something I don't want to. Even if I'm only faking it. I'm dedicated to being a hero, even if it comes off as self-serving and arrogant. I'm number one. Come at me seriously! I take pride in my quirk. Come at me with full strength. It's the only way I'll feel satisfied winning. No matter who it is, I won't let them catch up to me, let alone get ahead of me. I'm in the rank of pro heroes. I will stay on top. I'll beat you with an indisputable difference. I'll put you back in your place. You will never be better than me. I only look at victory, that's all. Victory drives me. It's what feeds my ambitions and drive my efforts. Second place is not for me. I belong at the top. We're not here to make friends! We're here to fight! I put a lot of passion into my music. I sometimes enjoy a good-natured fight, but there will be no cracks in my stern exterior. I'll become a hero that surpasses even you. You are a lesser entity. I'll gain and obtain raw power. There's no way I could beat you without taking any risks. I am increasing awareness that you are progressing as a pro. That will not stop me from launching a deadly attack. I mean, I'm a perfectionist. You could never reach my level, so you shouldn't even try. I'll win, because that's what it means to be a hero. All might inspires me. I have a desire to become a hero, and I will become a hero. So what? I have an ego. This man is the highest wall in the world. It's my ultimate goal. I'm determined to defeat and overcome. Show us with your actions, not your mouth. Actions speak louder than words. Don't brag about your worth. Prove it. I'll become number one with my strength! My grand goal is to become number one. I know exactly how I'll reach it. I have confidence in my strength. Even if there's nothing left of me, I'll find a way I want to win. I'm willing to sacrifice everything to accomplish my goal. If all you do is look down on people, you won't ever be able to recognize your own weakness. I'll take on any task, even babysitting. I'm right on track while learning how to become the number one hero. Die!